2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, security system, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.